As the most advanced refrigerators available for medical, pharmaceutical, and laboratory cold storage, Evolve delivers superior protection and control. Today, Evolve is helping inspire the future of healthcare by driving innovation and progress at UNC Rex's new Heart and Vascular Hospital.
UNC Rex is really a special place for innovation. We're proud to foster innovation and the next generation of technology and services in healthcare. Refrigeration is important in healthcare. We obviously have a lot of pharmaceuticals, nutritional items for patients, families, and to provide care that have a narrow window of temperature ranges in which they stay stable or fresh.
The Evolve refrigerators are very simplistic in design. They do not have a lot of the components that a traditional commercial refrigerator has. The central heat exchanger is basically a computer chip, and you do away with the traditional compressors that are in a commercial refrigerator. There are only very few parts that are actually operational in the refrigerators, so they're easy for us to maintain. The energy efficiency is fantastic on them, and the reliability has proven to be very good as well.
We find the temperature control to be very precise. It does not fluctuate as we are in and out of the refrigerator constantly, and we find that that does not affect the temperature.
When we tested the Evolve in the laboratory setting over the past 2 years, we found that it was a very reliable unit, that it provided close, tight temperature tolerances, and that it was easy for the staff to access and to use in their daily activities. Therefore, we decided to roll it out in our new 300,000 square foot hospital.
The more efficient you are, and the lower cost you are, the better you can be in addressing overall costs. And that is exactly where Phononic helps us address the issue of cost of healthcare.
The Evolve units will be placed on each floor and in patient support areas to include areas like the pharmacy and food and nutrition services. They're easy access. They have lockable components to where we can protect medication and food that are stored within the units themselves.
We're a very highly regulated industry, so there's a lot of paperwork caregivers do that patients probably never know about. One thing that we have to do a lot of monitoring on is the temperatures inside of refrigerators.
If a product is needed and it happens that the refrigerator it currently is in has not been monitored, or the monitoring was not accurate, and whatever substance in it has expired, well then that's not available for that patient, and therefore the delay of care. So the risk of that happening has suddenly gone down because we are far more confident that we will be able to get that substance in a way that is usable immediately. And therefore the nurse can spend more time taking care of patients rather than doing something where they just have to monitor whether a refrigerator is at the right temperature or not.
Evolve really is setting a new standard for refrigeration, especially in the hospital environment. Any innovation that helps a patient, caregiver, a nurse, a doctor spend more time with the patient and the family is a very positive innovation in this field. I can't wait until this becomes non-hospital and I can have this refrigerator in my home. It is that much superior compared to the current refrigerators on the market.
Protection, precision, inspiration. Discover the Evolve difference. Visit evolverefrigeration.com today.